saying it is a decision of the election commission. I'm saying if reservation has to happen, it has happened. So I have got no worries whatsoever, because for a simple reason, we are going to contest in all 30 wards. So it makes no difference to me. The voters are the same.
ओके तुम्ही आणि एक म्हटलेलं की रिझर्वेशन आय विल वेट फॉर द रिझर्वेशन अँड देन माय प्रोसेस स्टार्ट्स
Yeah, I'm saying wait for the reservation means I must know which ward is reserved and all. Accordingly, I can find the candidates. Now I will consult basically the party, and with the parties, with the consultation of the party, I will go ahead as far as declaration of the candidates.
सो बाय वेन नाव आता कॅन दिस
No, I think it should not take much time, because I think election is just round the corner, and the candidates basically should get time to go into their wards.
The other thing is that though you don't have a problem reservation, Ajay, but there are some councillors who are really annoyed with the way reservations have happened.
See now what is my reservation has to happen. It goes on a rotation basis. Now I cannot see. Some people will have the grievances. What can we do about it?
Okay, and what about it now? Even some reservation like Surendra Chania, they don't talk. So how Babush will work and to see that all 30 after 30?
No, I said first only. I have the confidence in myself, and I have got a confidence in the voters of Panjim that we will get basically all the 30 seats elected. So I am sure and confident that it will be a clean sweep this time.
Suren is a leader and he can contest in from 1 to 30.
So yes,
I have been a mayor for 4 terms. I have been a corporator for 6 terms, 30 years. Got a point?
So how are you going to form your own panel?
Let the time come, you will come to know what it is.
Have you spoken to them?
I will not open my cards right now.
But reservation is done by the commission, election officials.
No, reservation was done by Babush Munsarat in his office with the 3 people. I will name them at the right time. Got a point? It was Babush Munsarat who had done this reservation along with the 3-4 chelas in his office of Panjim.
Surendra, one more thing is that tu Datta Prasad, Utpal, Siddharth Munda, they BJP's leader, Babushi
BJP have sidelined them, I don't know for what.
But they are not saying anything.
Let them not say. I am appealing to them, come forward.
You think when...
I am appealing to AAP, I am appealing to Congress. Come forward on one panel, on one platform. And let us have a clean CCP.
So would Surendra also set up a panel here now?
I will not open my cards right now. I told you, don't put words into my mouth.
Okay, what happens to Surendra and his wife? Would they be contesting also?
You will come to know at the right time. I said, I am an all-go leader. I can contest from 1 to 30. Because I have done work like that as a mayor and as a corporator. I have also contested the election in the assembly. So everybody knows my face. And everybody knows my image and my clean image. That is my plus point. I want to remind Babush Munsarat, every day is not a Sunday. People we voted for him, everybody voted for him, and within a month he goes, where is the casino? Why is not removing the casino? Now he's saying that shopkeepers are saying that they will not lose business. My foot! Mr. Babush Munsarat, I want to remind you your same word. Every day is not a Sunday. Thank you very much. Friends, I am not at all shocked to see the way this delimitation was done by Mr. Babush Munsarat. This Babush Munsarat, we supported him for 2 elections. And I want to tell Mr. Babush Munsarat that I am not a leader of Panjim, I am leader of Goa. And I want to remind Mr. Babush Munsarat that every day is not a Sunday. If he has bifurcated my ward of Miramar into 4 different parts, that means Babush Munsarat is scared of his own shadow. I have been the mayor of Panjim. I have been a corporator 6 terms, more than 30 years. And everybody knows Suren Furtado. I am appealing to all the stalwarts of BJP like Dattaprasad Naik, ex-MLA Siddharth Kunkalekar, Mr. Utpal Parikar, Oscar Rebello, Valmiki Naik, all these people have to come on one platform and show this Babush Munsarat his door. Enough is enough. He thinks that he can do everything with his money power. Let us see. I am appealing to all his leaders, Dattaprasad Naik, Siddharth Kunkalekar, Utpal Parikar, Oscar Rebello, Valmiki Naik, all other people come under one decision. People are thirsting to see that this panel which was there for 15 years did nothing. He has put new faces. I want to tell Mr. Babush Munsarat, in his outgoing panel there were 75% youth who did not open their mouth even once for the meeting. Neither even read the agenda, what he is telling, what he wants to show. I want to remind Mr. Babush Munsarat, very soon there will be assembly elections and I will be ready for him. Thank you very much. By ward number 9, he has bifurcated 3 parts of us in different wards. Why? A real politician fights the battle facing forward. A real football player plays the football properly, not by cheating, by having. If he was a real leader, he will have not touched any of the 30 wards, because he claimed himself to be the leader of Panjim and Goa, and he wants to control Tiswadi.
चॅलेंज आम्ही चॅलेंज तुमची एक्सेप्ट केल्या आणि आम्ही तयार आसा 30 सिटां हाडपाक आमी तयार आसा तुमचे कॅन्डिडेट तुमी खंय दवरा कितें करपाचें तुमी करा हें म्हाजें तुमकां ओपन चॅलेंज
पूण हे कशें पळयता की फॉर्मर सुरेंद्र पुतरालू सम ऑफ द BJP लिडर्सांक म्हणटा
आनी हांकां घरांत बसयल्ले आसा आनी तेकाय बसयल्लो आसा कित्याक तेकाय तोय रावलो इलेक्शनाक तेकाय घरा बसयल्लो आसा तेन्ना हे सगळें एकठांय जाय हांव तेच म्हणटा न्ही तुमी जाय एकठांय तूं आनी कोणाकू हाड आनी कोण आसा तांकां हाड पडलेले कोण सगळ्यांक एकठांय कर तुजो फोर्स तूं तयार कर आमी आमच्या कामाच्या हेजेर आमी कामाच्या फोर्सार उलयता आमी जें कितें काम केलां इतकोटी आमी काम केलां तेजेर आमी उलयता तुका आमी त्या खातीर म्हणटा तुकाय चॅलेंज करता आमी तूं सगळो फोर्स एकठांय कर आमी तुज्या अगेन्स्ट आमी हें करता आमच्या अगेन्स्ट तूं राव आमी 30 सिटां हाडटले आतांय परत सांगता बाबूश हेडेड बाय BJP आमी 30 सिटां हाडटले